Welcome back, guys. I know this isn't your normal car video, but I figured we'd go snowboarding today and I might as well bring you along. So without further ado, let's go have some fun out in the powder and just enjoy the last bit of the year.
I will carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home.
Alrighty, we made it to the mountain. Now we just gotta change into our snowboarding gear and then we'll be ready. So ready?
Carry you home.
Carry you home. I will carry you home. When you got nowhere to go, I need you to know I will carry you home. Carry you home.
And that is it, guys. I'm sorry if I couldn't get a lot of filming in of me actually snowboarding, but I tried. I was just having fun, so I kind of forgot anyway. So thanks for joining me on this one. If you want to see another video, it'll be right there. Oh, and Happy New Year. See ya. Woo!